Bhadra at the center, and we've got suburbs. So एक छोटा सा competition करते हैं before our next performance. I want to see कि कौन से हिस्से में सबसे ज़्यादा ताकत है. Let's start. I want all the solo guys to make some noise.
IPS Vishwas Nagare Patil ji to give a small sampling to Mr. Fardeen Khan. A sampling to, I think, the award for Ravin Cable for all the work they've been doing over the years with the Bamla Foundation. Special Momentum Award given to Mr. Vijay Karia by Fardeen Khan, Mr. Vishwas Nagare Patil and Mr. Asif Bamla to Mr.
सर यहाँ पे तो ट्रॉफी सीधा कर दो ना.
We can call the camera people here if they want to, please.
A sampling to Ritvik by Mr. Vishwas Nagare Patil ji. A sampling to Shaya Momaya ji from Vishwas Nagare Patil ji. And Mr. Kobi Shashani ji, please come here.
Mr. Kobi ji, come here on my left. We will have, we'll request Mr. Nagare Patil, actually first I should request Fardeen to say a few words because there are a lot of crowd who really wants to hear you. I mean, Taha ko to last time उन्होंने cyclothon में सुन लिया है, लेकिन आपको सुनना बाकी है. So a very huge round of applause for Fardeen, a very, very big round of applause.
Congratulations to you, your foundation, and all the wonderful work you're doing. I think today's a great day just to acknowledge all the eco champs. We see you, we hear you, you inspire us, and all I'd like to say is, you know, just seeing you all lead by example really makes us be better citizens of the world, and you know, really make a change and make our future better. So I thank all of you who've done some great work here today, and especially to you and the foundation and all the great work that you guys are doing. Bhumi Namaskar.
Thank you so much, Fardeen. She was so sweet. Though I told her, don't come to rehearse here in the afternoon. It's too hot out here. I didn't come here too, but she had the courage. So kudos to you. A very, very big round of applause to our very own Bandra girl, Sophie Chaudhary. She's not a Sandra from Bandra, but a Sophie from Bandra.
Correct.
Thank you so much. Sophie, they want to also hear from you a little bit.
I think I said enough. Thank you all for being such great sports while I was performing, and everybody on stage. Thank you guys, you were wonderful. And just like I said, Asif ji, Seher, the entire team put in so much effort to constantly create awareness, to contribute on a daily basis to our beautiful environment. And I always say we only have two places to live, planet Earth and our...
So let's start with the felicitation for the first round. सबसे पहले मैं अपनी टीम को बोलना चाहूँगी that we are going to begin with the felicitations. Kindly come forward.
So, जैसे मैंने बताया, you know, not only colleges.
Side में जाओ, please. sharing on their platform. But that will be by far the biggest campaign with the United Nations Environment Program and of course the Mahatma also. Let me tell you, they've also supported this campaign in all ways. We've had Distillery who has supported this campaign in a very big way. I have my dearest friend from Distillery also who's here.
A Green Crusader Award to Rich Boy teams. Ashish Shelarji, a small Alana, you.
We welcome
absolutely.
Mr. Nadir Godrej. A very, very big round of applause for Nadir Godrej, sir. Michelle, thank you for escorting with sir. A very, very big round of applause for our very, very, very dear.
Thank you so much. तो जैसे कि आपने देखा मदिया की people from all walks of life. If I say I'm talking about an environment, it's just not that I'm an activist or I run a foundation. Like-minded people coming under one roof and discussing a very important one issue, that is environment. So
रोके फोटो कर दिया पर राइट साइड राशि जी है lovely stars or influencers people जिनमें हम usually screens पर देखते हैं, newspapers में देखते हैं, अपनी मोबाइल की छोटी सी स्क्रीन पर देखते हैं, वो आज यहाँ पर हमारे बीच आए हैं. They all come for you, आपसे मिलने के लिए, आपसे बातें करने के लिए ही यहाँ पर आए हैं. अब हम बांद्रा में जहाँ खड़े हैं, यहाँ पे रोजाना आप लोग वॉक करते हैं. Something that's very good for you and for the environment also. आज उसी जगह पर हम यहाँ पर ये इवेंट होल्ड कर रहे हैं and everybody who is here is for you. So once again, a very humble request to anybody who is there in the front. If you don't
Mr. R. Balki, जोरदार तालियां for all these wonderful people. And Mr. Gaur Gopal Das also to please come on stage. You can see these wonderful people coming on stage and talking about one single agenda, which is environment. And Jackie Dada, please, आप आगे आए. जग्गू दादा. Can I have two more mics?
वक्त का पूर्ण प्रयोग करें, हर एक इंसान से मिले. He's right now meeting a lot of people on backstage side. लेकिन जग्गू जी, we request you to please join us on
Siddesh
stage.
Sharma ji from Baidyanath to please come on stage. Siddesh. Bhavin, we are going to unveil the poster of Bhumi Namaskar. Are we ready? So, Asif, I want all this eyes on the screen. And
All part of this initiative, and I hope we keep making and doing things that help our environment in the future. Thank you so much. Thank you.
शान, आप जहाँ भी हैं, बांद्रा की शान, हिंदुस्तान की शान, शांतनु मुखर्जी to please come on stage. अभी हम मिस्टर शंकर महादेवन, जैकी श्रॉफ जी please आगे आए. उसमें भी झाड़ आपके हाथ में, झाड़ आपके साथ. Mr. Aman Pant, the music director of Bhumi Namaskar to please come on stage, along with Mr. Varun Dhawan, Abhishek Bachchan, Shekhar Rajwani, Malaika Arora. Have you seen that she was here? And all these artists have come together with Bhumi Pednekar also. You know, उन सब का काम पल्लवी चौकसी ma'am to please come on stage, along with Vardhaman and Rishabh also.
And ladies and gentlemen, we have Ravina Tandon on stage.
Can I have the award of Ravina Tandon?
आप सभी जानते हैं that recently she's always been so inclined towards helping the community. कोई भी बांद्रा में any project, she's always the first person to come up. Recently, there was also an incident with her driver where she stepped up and helped the driver. She is truly the image of courage in our Indian film industry. Ladies and gentlemen, please give Ravina Tandon a huge round of applause.
And the next award to Pallavi Chokshi ji. आइए. Can I have the team, the Godrej community, for supporting this
A
very
very big
noble
round of
cause?
applause to Mr. Nadir Godrej. A very, very big round of applause to Mr. Nadir Godrej. Thank you so much, Mr. Godrej, on all the work on sustainability that you've been doing. Shan, you remember we were talking about
This award by Mr. Bhushan Gagrani ji to Neha Jagtiani ji. Award to Mr. Tushar Malhotra from Bisleri by Mr. Bhushan Gagrani ji and Mr. Nadir Godrej to present it to Bisleri. From Everglow to receive this sustainable award from Mr. Bhushan Gagrani ji. Everglow. Everglow. Mr. Bhushan Gagrani ji to felicitate Mr. Inder Kataria.
आज मुझे यहाँ पे सम्मानित किया गया है। पहली बार एक ब्रेवरी अवार्ड मिला है, उसके लिए मैं बहुत बहुत शुक्रगुजार हूँ। लेकिन ये कहना चाहती हूँ कि हम सब में कहीं ना कहीं इंसानियत भरी पड़ी है और जहाँ तक हम सोचते हैं, चाहे हमारी भूमि हो या हमारे आजू बाजू के दोस्त हो या हमारे कर्मचारी हों या हमारे साथ रहने वाले लोग हों, हम यही चाहते हैं कि सारे सुरक्षित हों, साथ रहें, प्यार से रहें। और ये हमारी एक ही भूमि है, एक ही प्लैनेट है जो हमें आगे वाली पीढ़ियों को एक अच्छा हेल्दी प्लैनेट देना है। हमारे पास प्लैनेट बी नहीं है, यही है जो हमारी धरती है, आपकी है, मेरी है, हमारे आगे वाले बच्चों की है। तो प्यार और मोहब्बत से हम अपनी ये मातृभूमि को भी बहुत एक मोहब्बत ही नहीं, लेकिन जैसे कहें कि उसे हरा भरा और स्वस्थ भी बनाएं। हेल्दी प्लैनेट विल ऑलवेज हैव हेल्दी जनरेशंस अहेड। आपका सबका बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। थैंक यू आसिफ बामला जी, एंड आई थिंक आप बहुत अच्छा काम करते हैं। कहाँ गए आसिफ बामला जी? इनको मैं मुबारकबाद देना चाहूँगी। मैंने ये जो हमारा एनवायरनमेंट डे का फंक्शन है उसके जन्म से देखा है और आज तक, एंड इट ओनली गेट्स बिगर एंड बेटर, एंड कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशंस टू यू और आपकी मेहनत को। थैंक यू सो मच।
If I can also request Michelle to please come up on the stage. Thank you so much. And if I request my friend from Bisleri, please, my dear friend, please come over. Rahul, na? So let me begin with Mr. Nadir Godrej saying a few words. Thank you so much.
Thank you everyone, welcome. It is no longer climate change within a tolerable range. A crisis is what it's about, with fires, floods, as well as drought. And on this World Environment Day, let's resolve to find a way. This year's issue, we understand, is preservation of our land. Now at Godrej, our CSR helps to take us very far. Multiple benefits is what one sees with water projects or growing trees. Good livelihoods are created, our carbon emissions are abated, different species can be tried, useful products can be supplied.
अमन को सम्मानित करें क्योंकि संगीतकार ही एक संगीत की लय को जान सकता है। और थैंक यू सो मच, थैंक यू सो मच।
हाँ भाई, थोड़ा रुक जाओ, थोड़ा पीछे जाओ।
Can I also request Romanchak Arora, if you don't mind? Romanchak, can we have you on the stage?
Romanchak Arora, the creative, the director, producer.
Roy of Hungary is here in a huge round of applause. Please can we have you here? Shan ji, आप आइए और अमन जी आप भी आइए यहाँ. Romanchak is, as usual, a very casual man. unlike me. Mahanagar Palika.
ज़्यादा प्यार दिख रहा है।
Support of the gardens because
ज़्यादा प्यार दिख रहा है भाई।
Mr. Vispute
साथ में सर, यहाँ पे।
HVAC road officer is here around here. A very very big round of applause.
पप्पी हो जाए, पप्पी।
जी की शिकायत लगती है।
पप्पी हो जाए, पप्पी हो जाए। चलेगा। थोड़ा सा पीछे चला, पीछे चला, पीछे चला।
हमारे जो मार्गदर्शक